Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to join Telegram group without link. So let's get into it. First of all, open any web browser and type in tdirectory.me. After you have been able to locate the group that you're looking to join, just tap on the group and then tap on Join Group. After you gain approval, you will then be added to the group. The group will also show in your Telegram chats. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.